Okay, with that, we bring in Judge Jeanine Pirro, co-host of The Five. Judge Jeanine, always great to have you here. You see members of Congress there saying that he's just exercising his free speech rights. They're very worked up about this. There are protesters everywhere. How do you see his legal situation?
Well, first of all, let me say about the Democrats in Congress who are so worried about Mahmoud Khalil. They weren't worried about Laken Riley, and they wouldn't stand up for DJ Daniels, the little boy with cancer, and they're all riled up about this Mahmoud Khalil. Let me explain something to you. Mahmoud Khalil was someone who was involved in the protest. He was involved in organizing the protest. These college campus protests where Jewish students were harassed, where Jewish students did not feel safe on campus. This is the United States of America. Khalil is here, I think, just over 2 years, and he has aligned himself and advocating for Hamas, which has been designated a foreign terrorist organization. Marco Rubio has information that is classified that where he has been investigated as a national security threat in the past, but he has the power under Section 237 of the Immigration Naturalization Act, A4C, to have him deported. And what's going on in Manhattan, Martha, is very interesting. It's all theater. They moved, Khalil's lawyer moved for a habeas corpus, a writ of habeas corpus, which means bring the body to New York. Well, the body isn't in New York, and it ain't coming to New York. The body's in Louisiana. So they do not have the right to have this thing decided by a court. This is a deportation issue that is not justiciable, as we say as attorneys.
So you're saying that that Marco Rubio, Secretary of State, has information on him that proves that he is a national security risk? Because what we're seeing so far, I just have questions as I look through all of this, trying to figure out what law he broke, Judge Jeanine.
Okay.
So well, what law did he break? We can all make judgments on his character and the fact that he's supportive of Yahya Sinwar, if indeed he handed out these posters with his picture on them, supportive of October 7th, heinous. What about law broken?
Okay. You don't need a law broken. You do not need to violate the law. You do not need to be charged with a criminal statute or convicted of one to be deported through
as a green card holder.
As a green card holder. Now, he's saying that I am because I'm married to an American, the wife who says he was kidnapped but won't allow anyone to release her name. He's saying that now I'm a legal resident. No, you're not. And if you are, let's assume that you are, whether you're a green card holder, visa, or you consider yourself a resident based on your marriage, you still can be deported under 237 of the INA. And understand, he has a profile that they are familiar with. This profile, they believe, is more than just someone protesting the First Amendment. Yeah. He has aligned himself with a foreign terrorist organization. And we already know that, under, I think it's Article 8, 11, 82, and 83, if he endorses or espouses or persuades or organizes on behalf of those foreign terrorist organizations, he is subject to deportation. So this is a lot of theory.
The State Department itself can remove him.
Absolutely.
No need to go through the courts.
No need. It's not justiciable.
All right, we'll see what happens there. Judge Jeanine, always good to see you.
Good to see you.
We'll see you on The Five.
Thanks.
Thanks so much.